In this video, we are going to see how to make watch list for the stocks for your analysis, and you can get all the latest updates for that particular stocks or for that particular shares. So to make a watch list, there are various methods are there, there are various platforms are there, but today I am going to show you how to make this watch list through Screener website. So I just log into the Screener website. Since I have account, if you don't have the account, you can sign up and you can log into this account. There are free versions and premium versions, both are available. I'm using now the free versions. Through this free version also you can make the watch list. So once you went to this website, just click the Screener. Okay, go to the home page, and then you are seeing the watch list view and add companies to watch list. So I'm just clicking add companies, and then I'm just adding the name. Example, I want to add the quality stock. Okay, I want to find my watch list, right? So example, I want to get the latest update of Asian Paint. Always I want I want to add the TCS. I want to add the update. I want to get the update for Reliance Industries. I want to example Titan. I'm just taking all the quality stock which get the maximum returns. It lasts so many years. Okay, just for example, this is not a recommendation. Okay, so example, you want to see HDFC, or you want to see Axis Bank, example. Okay, or you want to see Berger Paint, right? Or you want to see Airtel, right? So example, you want to make Divis Lab, okay, or you want to make Oro Pharma, any stock, any stock, okay, or you want to make it like LTIM, okay. So I made around 10 stocks in this watch list, and you can just click done to save this. If you want to remove any stocks, you can remove it from here. Example, I want to remove the Berger Paints, okay, and I want to add the LT, lesson and Tabro, okay, and I'm just clicking done. So now here if you see, the watch list has been saved. Okay, so here watch list view. So these are the watch list you added, right? So all the 10 stocks is got added, and the most beautiful, the most important thing is in the single screen, uh, you are able to see the current market price for the stocks which you selected now, and the P ratio, market capitalization, dividend, 8%, net profit, quarter profit variance, sales sales of latest quarter, year quarterly sales growth, return on capital employed percentage, debt, EPS for last 12 months, return on equity, debt to equity, sales growth percentage, profit growth percentage. So these are the minimum information which you are getting, and I think these are all the key information which you are getting for your stocks. In addition to this, if you see the, I'm just going to back, and here you will see the all the update it has been showing for all your company. Example, you have selected the Titan company, right? So TCS, right? Titan. Okay, so all the latest update it is showing here. In addition to this, while making the, and if you see the right side results, it's showing the upcoming results. Example is Gypsy Bank on 17th July, LTIM on 17th July, Asian Paints on 25th July, Larsen and Tubro on 25th July, Titan on 2nd August, right? So because The upcoming results or any corporate actions will impact to the stock market for that particular stock price movement. So this will help you to understand in a single page, like what are the stocks which are going, which what are stocks for which there will be corporate actions, there will be results. So how it will impact to the stock price movement for that particular stock. In addition to this, while making the login to this account, while opening the account in this website, you must have used your email ID, okay, and you can get the latest update to this email ID. Let me show you a sample how I am receiving the no, I am receiving the update. So this is my inbox. So I'm just see here latest update. It's showing right. Infosys, LTIM, right? So all these details it is showing in your inbox. Okay, and whenever you want to unsubscribe, then you can just stop it by clicking unsubscribe. Okay, so this is just a sample email which is sent, and this is the, you can click this link so that it will take to the website to read that news. Okay, so this is a very helpful to make this watch list and get the latest update. Now the second question comes, once you prepare the watch list, can you edit? Yes, so I'm just clicking watch list view, and if you want to add more company, okay, so example I'm going to companies, I click companies and I want to add some stocks. Example, I want to add LTTS, I want to add ITC, I want to add Naukri or Infoes. Okay, I want to add Bajaj Finser. I want to add Bajaj Auto. Okay, or I want to add uh, any stock like Hero Motor Car. Okay, so or example, I want to create Borun Beverages. Right. So I'm just clicking. I'm adding the stock, and if you want to remove any stock, you can remove. You can update. But in this free version, I think there is maximum 50 watch list, 50 stocks in your watch list you can make it. But I think 50 watch list is a very good number to make the watch list. Okay, so this is how this will help you to understand to get a single page view for all your quality stock, all your selected stock in your chart, in your watch list. Hope this video helped you to understand how to prepare the watch list and to get latest update, and you can see no, to see the single page view for all your watch list. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.